Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I have now here on the table an old tuner, stereo tuner from Poland. The type Unitra ELTRA stereo tuner T9015. It was for the HiFi Set ZM 9000. Produced in Poland, starts 1983. Unfortunately, this tuner is not in good condition, but maybe somebody will need it for his collection. I have connected all cables, antennas, and I tried it, but then I have noticed that it has FM only OIRT, so up to 74 megahertz. So no, and this frequency range doesn't work here in Czech Republic many years. So FM nothing tuned, and AM also nothing, because the tuning, the main tuning, which is also for AM, is stuck. It doesn't move, so it needs repair. From the presets I can see that moves. Some of them I can move with these knobs, some of them not, but maybe it will be for you interesting. How does it look inside? I will switch it off, and the diodes, they are by some preset tuning moves the red light, so I will switch it off. Let's see how does it look inside. I will make some detailed photos so you can see them at the end of this video. The condition of this tuner is really not good. Top cover, you see it, bad condition, but this is no problem. Maybe somebody will like it and need it, and as it is usual, this device is for sale, and you can find it later on my website Anglica Audio CZ on the page tuners. Unfortunately, bad condition. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and now I will make detailed photos, so see the